Hello everyone. Today we will talk you through qualitative and quantitative research. If you're ready, let's go for it. As we covered in our previous videos, every research has a cycle which contains 5 steps. Today, we're going to talk about step 3, which is the research. Depending on your research question, you choose your research design. The most prominent designs are qualitative and quantitative. So today's main goal will be to understand the difference between them. Let me start with the qualitative research. It can be used to gain insight in the social world. It is focused on experiences, interpretations, and reasons in specific situations, which means that those researches are non-numeric, but based on why and how. There are different types of qualitative research. I will explain the most relevant methods that can be used to conduct it. Let me start with an interview. An interview is used to get to know more information about the person or a subject. The best way to get most information is to ask open questions. For example, what is your opinion about Megan Fox or Brad Pitt? The second is an interview with a group of people, which is called the focus group interview. The third type is an observational research, where individuals are observed without being influenced. For example, if you would like to know more about running techniques, you would observe people performing various running activities and write down your conclusions based on what you saw. Another example could be if you want to know what people think about using drugs in sports. You would use an interview with open questions and collect people's opinion. Now we covered the basics of qualitative research. Now let's talk about quantitative research. It tries to be objective, and the results are based on numbers, which means a lot of data will be collected in repetitive pattern, and it can be used to explain phenomena, situations, or testing the hypothesis. There are different types of quantitative researches. Just to get a quick view, I will explain a few of them. The first one is describing research. For example, you can use it to describe your patient population, like how many patients do have a lower back pain. Another type of research is the diagnostic accuracy research. For example, we want to know the diagnostic accuracy of the McMurray test. We would test 100 patients with possible medial meniscus injury. You use the McMurray test and afterwards you compare it with the MRI to see if the McMurray was accurate. With these results, you can calculate the sensitivity and specificity. You can also say something about the reliability and validity of the test. What these terms are will be explained in another knowledge clip. Another example could be if you want to know if movement has influence on pain modulation on the body. You compare it with two types of sports and a control group which doesn't do sports at all. Now we covered the basics of quantitative and qualitative researches, so let's sum up the differences between them. The main point to remember is that qualitative research is going for the big picture, while quantitative is more specific. Here is a table with some other features that separates them. Read them through and you will be finished with qualitative and quantitative research. I hope you found this lesson valuable, and we are looking forward to seeing you on the next one.